Good morning everybody, it's me again, Chelsea Kayla, and thank you for joining in once again. Before you do anything else, please give me a subscribe at the bottom, and then when you're done, if you like it, if you don't, if you have any opinions, please comment and then hit the share button. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tresemme Botanic range. It's the extended range from the original one. So this is a detangler I'm going to use, and I'm going to finish my look off with the moisture mist. Dun, 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 dun. Cool. So it has 0 dyes and silicones in it, which is cool because I'm trying to make my hair more natural. And I'm going to see if this works because my hair has been curly for like 3 days now. I haven't brushed it out at all, and I had it in braids and a bun. So I'm going to see if this is going to detangle this hair before I go and wash it out and reset these curls, and then hopefully the mist is going to make them pop again. So hold on, here we go. So first and foremost, this product says that it needs to be applied to the hair generously and then comb through and then left on for 20 minutes. So as you can see, my hair isn't too dry, my texture isn't too coarse either, so I'm just going to use it as a normal detangler and then wash it out immediately. I don't want my hair to be too oily. I don't want my hair to be too oily because that's what products usually do with my hair. I don't like build up in my hair. So this is a moisture and replenish with coconut milk and aloe vera, which is both good for natural hair. And it is a pre-wash, so I'm going to do this before washing my hair. However, these products tend to make your hair oily very quickly. It smells delicious, by the way. So I'm just going to apply a generous amount from root to tip and then wash it out. Okay, so now that it's done, I'm just gonna air dry it like naturally because I'm gonna go out, and then I'll take some clips of me being out and about and see if these curls pop. Because obviously you can't really see now when it's wet because it looks cute, but we'll obviously have to see the results once my hair is dry. So fingers crossed. See you later. So this product definitely didn't work for me. My hair did feel light, however my curls were not defined. It was too oily, so for 2C hair, definitely not a go-to, but still a Tresemme lover. Thanks for watching.